Hello everyone, in this crypto video we are going to have a talk on Luffy token. So this is the official Twitter account of Luffy token, and if you haven't followed Luffy token till yet, then follow Luffy token on Twitter. Currently they have 110k followers, and according to expert, the way Luffy token is gaining popularity, very soon they will cross 125k followers on Twitter. So here you can see that 3 hours ago Luffy token has posted something: Telegram competition winner list for active member. Thank you for the activity during the event. We showed some progress and looks like Luffy army is strong and united. Join us now. Current event is going, and here is the list of Telegram competition winner list. So here you can see the first winner is @MC Squeaky. Second place has been taken by @token Boken, and the third place has been taken at KKKHDH. So heartily congratulations to all of them, as they are the winner. And one more update has been done. One more tweet has been done 12 hours ago. Hey Luffy token crew, Bitcoin bulls may have to wait until 2024 for next BTC price rocket stage. What do you think? So for that, you can read this article also. Bitcoin bulls may have to wait until 2024. So what do you think? You can comment below also. Patience is the key to success. Fiat, stablecoin, BTC, ETH, top altcoin, Luffy. So you can check everything here. Next update has been done 2 days ago. Land of Kai hatch Kainet X Luffy. You can style your character with NFT based game asset, fight other players to earn token, collect NFT, and buy your very own land in the metaverse using Luffy and Kainet. If you want to buy your own land in the metaverse, you can buy it using NFT in Kainet. Play Land of Kai, and you can get the website kainet.world/land. So one more update has been done 6 days ago. Hello Luffy crew, if you wanna win a Luffy NFT plus Luffy token, please read the detailed information below. Hint: NFT holders will have access to some future event. So these are some updates made by Luffy token. Now we'll go in CoinMarketCap and we'll check the current price chart of Luffy token. So here you can see, if you want to buy Luffy token, you can buy it from get.io, MEXC, but in get.io the pair which you will choose is Luffy/USDT buy, because here confidence is high, and in Luffy/ETH's liquidity is 0. So if you want to choose platform, then choose Luffy/USDT. Now if I click on overview, then I will show you the current price chart, but before that, market rank is 3386, which can go to 3382 in near future. So the current price of Luffy token is $0.80219, but according to expert, between 2030 to between 2037, we can see the price going of Luffy token above $1 or above $5. Whereas if I talk about trading volume, the trading volume of Luffy token has been increased with 7.14% in last 24 hours. So before having an investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research, because crypto market is highly volatile. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. And before having an investment, do a proper crypto market research, because I am not a financial advisor.